The question says hydrogen peroxide reduces permanganate ion to. Okay. A chemical reaction is taking place in which hydrogen peroxide is reacting with permanganate ion. This is what MnO4 and it is minus is there. Okay. What are the species produced in the reaction? Okay. Always keep in mind this permanganate ion participates in a chemical reaction in three different medium. Acidic medium, basic medium and neutral medium. Okay. Whenever permanganate ion is participating in acidic medium, it always converts into Mn2 plus. Okay. Acidic medium, and if it participates in basic medium, it converts into MnO4 and 2 minus is there. This is basic medium. Okay. And in case if it is participating in a chemical reaction in neutral medium, it converts into MnO2 is there. And in different medium, it shows different transfer of electron. Different medium, it shows a different transfer of electron. And whenever a chemical reaction is taking place and permanganate ion is participating, and in case medium is not given there, if a medium is not given there, we always assume reaction is taking place in acidic medium. Okay, in case of permanganate ion. If you look at the question, you can see hydrogen peroxide reduces permanganate ion to. It does not talk about medium. So we assume this reaction is taking place in acidic medium, and this permanganate ion participating in acidic medium always converts into Mn2 plus. So you can see in this case the product which we are supposed to get Mn2 plus, and this hydrogen peroxide will convert into oxygen gas. This is a complete redox reaction. You can see manganese is present in plus 7 oxidation number. 4 2 8 minus is there, so it will become plus 7. In this case plus 2 is there. Decrease in oxidation number is always reduction reaction. Okay. In case of hydrogen peroxide, oxygen shows minus 1 oxidation number. Other side oxygen is what is 0. So minus 1 to 0, increase in oxidation number is always oxidation reaction. A chemical reaction in which both oxidation as well as reduction reaction take place simultaneously is an example of redox reaction. Then we got the option. Which option is that? Option B is correct.